Thus, economics deals with activities of people living in an organized community or society insofar as activities are related to earning and use of wealth or with the problem of scarcity, choice and exchange. Economics is therefore considered to be the branch of sociology which studies the history and the nature of society as a whole. As a consequence of this, we find that economics is closely related to other social sciences like ethics, political science and history, etc. To summarize, we can say economics can never be an exact science as it is different kind of discipline to say like physics or chemistry. The essence of science is prediction. Physical laws tells us what we believe must happen. If you drop a pencil out of upstairs window, the law states in physics and it predicts that it must fall into the ground. If ever a pencil flew vertically upward, then physicists would have to look again at those laws in order to accommodate this new possibility. One thing that would not enter the discussion would be the possibility that pencil decided to flow upward, and here is where the laws of economics are very different from laws of physics. Economics is a social science, which means it studies the aspects of human behavior. Hence, from the above discussion about the nature of managerial economics and economics as science, as an art, as a social science, we can say it is a blend of all the things into consideration and how it is applied in the real world. Coming to the scope of economics, the scope of economics has been broadened up into various arenas, including international, public finance, welfare, health, environmental studies, urban and rural development, etc. When we are talking about international arena, with the advent of globalization and cross-border integration, economic concepts are applied in order to conduct successful businesses dealing between countries. Economic concept can be used in areas such as foreign exchange, imports, etc., and keeping a balance of trade, balance of payments, etc. When it comes to public finance, economic concepts are also applied to assess the government's collection of taxes from the users of public goods as well as expenditure on production and distribution of these goods to a general public. We can see in the welfare also it has widened up its scope. Economic theories and concepts are used to analyze the growth and development of low-income countries. This helps in improving the living standard of people in less developed and developing society by understanding their need for various facilities and utilities such as health, education facility, good working condition, etc. In healthcare sector also, economic concepts are applicable in assessing the problem faced in promoting health in different countries. These concepts help the government in making decisions for defining appropriate health packages and programs for the general public. When it comes to environmental studies, economic concepts are used to analyze the utilization and depletion of natural resources. Moreover, they are applied to study the impact of increasing ecological imbalances of the society. Even in the rural and urban development, the scope has been widened up for economics. In urban development, the scope of economics covers the analysis of different urban issues such as crime, education, public transit, housing, local government finance, etc. On the other hand, in rural development, economics can be used to analyze the shortages of natural resources, obtain the best price for the production, studying the constraint of productivity, adapting to the climatic change, etc. So these are the various scopes which have been implied with economics as a subject. Now when we are talking about laws of economics, it is broadly divided into two different categories. The first law is law of demand and the second one is law of supply. We will deal in the separate subsequent chapter about these laws in detail. So as of now, you don't have to worry much. You have to just know that the law of demand would be from the consumer's end and law of supply would be from the seller's end. Law of demand states everything being equal, when the price increases, the demand decreases and vice versa. Whereas law of supply states everything being equal, when the price increases, the supply also increases in order to fetch profit for the sellers. Hence, these two laws we would discuss in details in chapter 2 when we would be doing demand analysis, and chapter 3 which would be about the supply analysis. Thank you.